सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi, I'm Ritika, Ritab's mother. We live in South Delhi, GK1. We came to Dr. Manish in the month of August uh, because my son was having a lot of problem while sleeping, and he had been snoring badly with all his mouth open, wide awake. Many a times he used to have restless nights. He used to sit and sleep because he was just unable to breathe properly while sleeping. We figured out that not only he was having sleep apnea, but when Dr. Manish just did a checkup and we did some couple of tests and diagnosis, we figured out that he also has enlarged adenoids and tonsillitis as well. So we decided on immediate surgery because the problem was in the category of moderate to severe. We couldn't have waited any further till he could have become 12 years old, in generally what the practice has been. Within a week we got the date, we got him admitted, which was a very smooth process of getting him admitted, and the procedure was pretty streamlined. The main reason why we came to this hospital was just not only Dr. Manish, it was also Dr. Deepa, because being a neonatologist and a pediatrician, they have a complete setup of pediatric facilities as well, which was my major worry. Like when you actually have to insert a cannula or a Vigo in a child, it's a very painful process, and I was very skeptical that how will the nurses who are attending adults will handle a child. So I was pretty much convinced and at ease that there is a full pediatric setup and there is a well-trained doctor available to cater to any of the child's need. This was one of the factor which also pushed us to just opt for it immediately here in this hospital, though it meant an hour's drive from my residence to all the way to Gurgaon. But it was all worth it because the staff is very amicable, very hospitable, and they have been they did almost everything to make us comfortable here from the start. The surgery, at the time of surgery, we figured out that not only we were going to address all these three issues, the tonsils, the adenoids, and the sleep apnea. I think we figured out that Ritab's one of the nasal tract has been congenitally sealed, which was a discovery in the OT on the table itself, which was a surprise for the doctor as well because it was not diagnosed in any of the tests. So Dr. Manish came out and he updated us on the same, and he took a call immediately that we should go ahead and drill open the bone as well. And we were absolutely okay and comfortable with this thought that we will get it fixed in the one go itself rather than going for any other set of surgery. So the surgery, which was planned initially for just 2 hours, was extended for another 4.5 hours, but by God's grace everything went off well, and within a week there was another surgery which was followed up for the cleaning up of the nasal passage and everything. Again it was a day long process, and he was admitted. He was discharged and he is completely fine now. We are almost about to complete 6 months of recovery, and everything is on track, the progress, and now he sleeps absolutely fine. He sleeps just he just hits the bed and he sleeps without snoring, and no problem as such. His weight has also started to come down, because sleep apnea also leads to putting on weight. So there is a kind of halt there as well. So he has stopped putting on weight and he sleeps soundly, and of course there will be much improved quality of life as well. I would like to thank Mayom Hospital team and Dr. Manish and Dr. Deepa, who took a lot of care, personal care, in addressing our issues, especially the insurance issues as well, for which I am grateful for. Thank you so much.